Health benefit of egg.
Before watch the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
The most common benefits of eggs include their ability to help in growth and development, aid in weight loss, improve heart health, and many more. Let's have a look at the benefits in detail. Weight loss. Since eggs are so full of those important proteins that our body needs for development, they also tend to be a very satisfying and filling form of food. They provide energy and nutrient stability in our body and satisfies our hunger. Eggs can be a great way to get the healthy balance you need without consuming excess calories, which is a great way to lose weight or keep your weight down. Brain health. Eggs contain vitamins and minerals that are needed for the regular functioning of cells, including the brain, nervous system, memory, and metabolism. Choline is a nutrient that facilitates brain development in the fetus and newborn, as well as memory function even into old age. Eggs are an excellent dietary source of choline, and 1 egg per day will provide 28% of a pregnant woman's choline requirement. Blood cholesterol. In the 1990s, eggs received a lot of bad publicity due to their cholesterol content of 210 milligrams per egg yolk. Numerous studies have clearly demonstrated the lack of a relationship between egg intake and coronary heart disease. To put things into perspective, it is important to realize that foods high in fat, especially saturated and trans fatty acids, have a far greater impact on heart health than cholesterol in food. Eggs should be recognized as an inexpensive, versatile and easily digestible source of protein. Amino acids. Eggs are high in quality protein, with all the essential amino acids in the right ratios. Proteins are the main building blocks of the human body. They're used to make all sorts of tissues and molecules that serve both structural and functional purposes. Getting enough protein in the diet is very important, and studies show that currently recommended amounts may be too low. Well, eggs are an excellent source of protein, with a single large egg containing 6 grams. Heart disease. Eggs help to lower risk of heart disease. Choline plays an important part in breaking down the amino acid homocysteine, which is associated with the development of heart disease. Eye health. Eggs help to prevent cataracts and to protect eyesight. A good dietary intake of eggs, spinach and broccoli is associated with a significant decrease in cataracts, up to a 20% decrease, and age-related lens and retinal degeneration, the leading cause of blindness in the elderly, up to a 40% decrease.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share your friends and family. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe is totally free.